Okay, I'm going to record one more video. Magnus asked to record something funny when I asked my wife, Therese, who's from southern Sweden, from the island of Öland. She said, "Snipp, snapp, slut. Sova, denna, sagan, slut." Snip, what did I say? Oh, but it was slut the first time, wasn't it? So I think I've heard it both ways. But this is snip, snap, snoot. That's the correct way. Snoot, not slut. Okay, snip, snap, snoot. Sova, denna, sagan, slut. This is something that you say at the end of a story that you read. The story's done. It was a happy ending, maybe. The story is over. Snip, snap, snoot. Sova, denna, sagan, slut. Okay, I'm going to play it once.
Snipp, snapp, snut, så var denna sagan slut.
Once slower. Snip, snap, snoot. Sova, denna, sagan, saga, slut. Okay, so this is one we're going to practice and we're going to use at bedtime tonight. Okay, hej då.